Hello, everyone. I'm Jenny. I'm going to be delivering your Tip Tuesday this week. And one of the things that we have now added is the ability to purge events using a listing in a spreadsheet. So in this example, I'm an ABC company on equipment number 1. And you can see I have 3 events. And let's say I performed all of these events on the wrong piece of equipment and I want to go ahead and delete them. I can go to my admin panel and I can go in and search for the event numbers by the equipment and company number, or I can go and add this event number column to the equipment. So here's a quick little example of how you might find all of the event numbers. You can go to SQL exec, and then I can say select event from events where gauge equals 1 and company equals ABC company. Then I have all of the events. So you might want to say where the gauge ID might be 1, or it might be you have 3 different pieces that you want to do. So you could do like where gauge or gauge 2 and company. So then it would show all the event numbers for both of those gauges in that company. Then I have that list, which I can export to text and save event nums to purge. Then I can go to the event purge utility and feed it that file that I just created in my documents folder. Here I have that file. And it found, so basically it's going to search for those event numbers and add those to the grid. So here you'll want to double check, make sure it's the right company, the right piece of equipment, the count is correct. Now, if it didn't find all of the events that, let's say I put in some that didn't exist at all in IndySoft, then it would let me save a listing in another text file, basically the same sort of text file with just numbers listed. It looks like this. So you'd be able to save what you weren't able to find, and then you can click this Purge Events button and make sure you actually want to undo that. I'm going to reload all settings. And those events are gone. I hope that helps you keep your data clean and correct. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you.